What does it take to work in auto repair? It takes knowing the car systems. My name is Adrian, and I'm studying auto repair at Job Corps.
You're never going to be a mechanic unless you know the car systems.
In order for us to find a problem with the cooling system, we have to go over what the cooling system is.
I love working with cars, I always have. You gotta learn different systems, like brakes and lubrication and steering. They give you all the basics so you know how to diagnose a car. It starts with a skill. One skill builds on another skill. At Job Corps, they teach you those skills.
It's a wide open field. There's always going to be cars, not just new cars, but also older cars.
You will learn how to fix cars. It starts with knowing your systems, and it ends with a great career.